Sorkar jela ke kermen Jingpynkynriah Rai ke bakat do halor ke Jingpynkynriah ke Them Iew Mawlong ke syaban kut Naitung. Abakiran nigelat patai kubor akan druk trik Naitung arajar arpun rio usembut menteri rangba ke jela bakami ketenat penroi sorok ba Sniawbha langdhar. Betu bagadang sa askobe ke jingelang ban bisyare ke jingtip banyo ke kaipot ke batikena halor kene kakam. Kawin nigilat bag Sorkar kene keren kelong ban panjakan nigi bor sipai ne kebentaban Jingpynkynriah ya kene katan. Halor kene kejing pan jaka ke Sorkar kadang ap kejing ai kitien bak kejing ekren bakat do na ki he sipai. Hadin ki babon ki jingelang ki balong haki kerdan baper. Uba Sniawbha langdhar uli tu ru menteri rang ba ke jela wadap ne syong jingelang ko arne laisien bad menteri yadari ke Sorkar preng. Ba wala ke Sorkar kladap itu arne laitri ki jaka ban pen kre ke blueprint ban ke jingyo ke jaka sipai ke de ke wei pat kalat ka ba temai ba ke ban ke jingkermen lada kalong ke babiang.
At the right time, you ask me this question. So we are planning by the end of this month, we are yet to sit one more and we'll take the exact latest report what is there. So maybe finally we'll see what are the exact report because the last meeting that we had, so there is option we make and land from defense also. So we are awaited for that last conversation between the officials and the defense people. So let us see. I think by the end of this month, at least I'll be able to share something. What are they?
How much?
The status with this Harijan colony. By when I cannot say by when. Let us have a discussion first. So only then we'll be able to take a call how to move forward.
So now what will happen to the blueprint that the government
Remaining as it
presented?
is. Blueprint is remaining as it is. So then we have got another option with the defense. That's why we are both sides are ready. If A is not working, we may go with the plan B.
And if they don't welcome the government's decision, then what will be
Then
done?
government will take a call. Simple as that. Government will take a call. How to proceed ahead. Now we have identified 2-3 places, but till today no signal has been received from the defense. Now let us see. Because even Chief Minister they had a meeting, 2-3 meeting with the Union Defense Ministers, Government of India.
So we can say that the response is positive.
Let's see. It should be, but let's see.